Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can edit and change your apps on the iPhone. Now just to let you guys know, you do need to have the latest version of iOS 18 in order to do this. So what we're going to do is just hold down an app. So I'm just going to hold it down and then I'm going to press edit home screen. And then on the top left hand corner, I'm going to press edit and then customize. So as you can see, we've got these options appear here. So we can actually make our apps larger. So small is currently selected. And if you go to large, as you can see, that has just made them larger, bolder and clearer, which looks really cool. And then you can change the different colors as well. So you've got light, you've got dark mode, you've got automatic, and you've got tinted. So you can change them if you wanted, make them a certain color, whichever you fancied you can do and have a play with. I think the dark looks quite cool, and with them large as well, I think that just looks different. Everything looks really clear and you've got that dark background. Yeah, I love it. So just a quick one for you today, guys. I really hope that you found it useful. If you could leave us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.